Hello everybody, how you all doing? Welcome to our channel, Cooking with Raed and Inna. My name is Raed.
And my name is Inna. Hello.
And today we are experimenting with replicating Popeye's chicken sandwich. We're gonna make a crunchy, crispy, beautiful Popeye's chicken sandwich, or a copycat of it. It's gonna be as good, and I'm sure it's gonna be even better. Let's begin. We're using 2 chicken breasts, 16 ounces each approximately, for the sandwich. This is a skinless, boneless chicken breast. This is too big for a sandwich, so we're gonna cut it down to where it's gonna fit onto the bun, just like the sandwiches from the store that we're gonna compare to and make it even better and more delicious. So the first thing we're gonna do is cut it in about, see, this part is thinner, this right here, this end is thinner than the top end. So we're gonna go about, I would say about 2/3, and go cut it through. So in order to butterfly this, we're not gonna just butterfly, we're gonna go all the way through. Just it's a cutlet, I would say. So we're gonna go ahead and slice through it with your palm on top. Go easy, don't go fast. Even if your knife skills are the best, still be careful. Cut it, go through it. Look how beautiful that is. We're gonna do the same thing on the other side, on the other part. This stuff right here, if you don't want it, take it out, but I don't care. We use every little piece. We're not doing it for show, we're doing it to eat. Same idea with the second part. Bottom half. There you go. Again, you got
Beautiful.
now, because this part is thicker than this part. See this? It's thin and nice, but this is thicker. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna get a Ziploc bag. Take the chicken breasts, put them inside the Ziploc bag. Ziploc them. Like this. This motion, you hammer and pull away from you. Just, like this. This is done. So we're gonna do this one as well. Take everything, put it in the bowl, marinate it, get ready for the marinade. I'll see you in a second. Buttermilk, about, I would say, 2 cups. We're gonna have to add the Popeye's spices. This is 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Louisiana hot sauce. Guess what? This is not Louisiana hot sauce. I don't have Louisiana hot sauce, so I'm gonna use this instead. It's another brand, but it smells and it tastes just like Louisiana hot sauce. So we're gonna do about 2 drops, maybe 3. 1, 2, 3.
Oh my gosh.
That's it. If you don't like it hot, don't add as much. We love hot food, so this is to your liking. And after you're done whisking it, grab your tongs. You don't have to, you can use your hands as long as you wash them. I'm gonna put all this, submerge it into the buttermilk. Minimum 3 hours, best overnight. Hi everybody, we are back. Today, as you know, is tomorrow because yesterday we put the chicken to marinate and it's already ready. I took it out of the bowl, put it in my rack because I'm gonna do the dredge right now. And please follow me step by step and how I'm gonna do that. By the way, I left one right here for an experiment. One chicken breast right here. Not chicken breast, a fillet I would say, because as you saw yesterday, we actually butterflied them, we pounded them, and so the more surface area that we have on the chicken, the better, the crispier, and it's gonna cook so much faster. But 7 minutes, it should be ready to be eaten. And now we're gonna start with the dredge. Because this is just a cup and a half of all-purpose flour. You can use self-rising flour, whatever flour you like. But as far as I know, they use self-rising flour, but I'm not sure. In this case, we're using all-purpose flour. Okay, it's a Cajun New Orleans dish. That means we're gonna have to kick it up a notch. We're not gonna leave it just like this bland blah. It's gonna have some kick into it.
All right.
Bam. Hey, I guess.
Of course, if you guys don't like the kick, you don't have to add anything.
Yes. 2 teaspoons of baking soda. What does baking soda do to the flour? I don't know. I heard it makes it crispier. As far as I know, it's a leavener, so it will make gas bubbles, which when we cook it in the fryer is gonna cause that to be very crispy. Hopefully it works. And also to make it crispier, we're gonna add half a cup of corn starch.
All right, so healthy.
You don't have to do that if you don't want to. It's up to you. Black pepper, one teaspoon. This is cayenne pepper. This is not cayenne. Yeah, it is cayenne pepper. That's 1 teaspoon. Tac, tac, tac. There you go. It went in there. Okay, now we need to kick it up a notch. I have 1 teaspoon of chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. The original one has cayenne pepper. We like it spicier, so we add another teaspoon of chili powder. You don't have to do that. It's up to you, but we like it spicy. And this is 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder. I don't know which one is which, but there's 1 teaspoon of each in this.
We're just gonna trust you on that one.
Yes. And of course, last but not least, some salt. I'm gonna put about a teaspoon. You can put more if you want. Less, it's up to you. And of course, we have to mix it really, really well. Okay, before we're gonna do the wash, you do not have to do wash. The original recipe, I believe, does not require a wash. I don't think Popeyes do a wash, but we're gonna do a wash because it makes it crispier, and that's what we want. We're gonna add about 2 tablespoons of water to wash, 2 eggs, 2 large eggs, and also again we're gonna kick it up another notch. We have some supposed to be Louisiana hot sauce. I don't have Louisiana hot sauce, but I'm using this hot sauce. It's similar to Louisiana hot sauce.
It smells like Louisiana.
It smells like that. It tastes like that. It's good. That was a gift from my mother-in-law, and thank you, Mom.
And father-in-law.
And father-in-law. And we're gonna go ahead. By the way, we're gonna go ahead a lot. Inna told me many times not to use it, but it's a habit. I don't know what.
Not just Inna.
Yeah, but we're gonna go ahead. I'm not use. We're gonna go ahead anymore. So 2 drops. 1, 2 drops of.
But you put 2 drops.
There you go.
This is 2 times 20.
All right, we're gonna start the dredge. We're gonna do
Dip.
from right away. Put it in here. Use your dry hand.
Oh, I thought you were gonna say use your imagination.
And you can use that. You can do that too. Make sure you press. Make it stick. I don't know if I have enough flour, but I hope I do. Okay, shake. Wash. Dredge. this should be ready. Put it in the rack. This is my little experiment. I'm gonna take it out of
Marinade.
the marinade right there and dip it in the flour right away without, usually I shake it off we shake off all the excess marinade, but I'm not gonna shake it off. I'm gonna go ahead and I used go ahead again. I'm gonna go ahead.
We're gonna go ahead and experiment.
This is our experiment. See what the difference is. Shake it off.
No egg.
And guess what? I'm gonna dip it back in the same marinade, and because that marinade
It smells so good. So it
has
must.
all the spices, everything you need in there. It should be utilized. Move one out of the way so I can put it. And guys, here it is. Shake it off. Remember, it's on the right side of the rack. Right side of the rack. Don't forget that. It's on the right. I'm gonna put a toothpick in it so I don't forget. And we'll be back to finish the rest of the chicken. We already have the oil ready. We need to bring it up to at least 375 or a little bit higher, because as soon as we put the chicken into the oil, the temperature is gonna drop down. We're gonna try and maintain it to about 350. Let's check the temperature. It should be over 375, I believe it is. There you go, it's there. So we are ready. Let's start. We're not gonna overcrowd. Remember, guys, our chicken, the one on the right, there it is. It's on my left, but it's on your right. It's ready. By the way, see, I think
I'll take that.
Our test subject didn't come out as good as we like. It's not. It's still.
It's crispy.
Crispy, but you see, it flaked off. Most of the batter flaked off, but it came out good. We are making the sauce for the Popeye's chicken sandwich. This is our take on the sauce. I'm pretty sure it's gonna even taste better. So the first thing we're gonna use is the Creole Spice. Actually, I made this Creole Spice myself. It's 2 teaspoons of paprika, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon of thyme, 1 teaspoon of oregano, and a pinch of salt. So,
or you could just buy the Creole spices.
That much. And always.
And forever. Spices.
A little bit of. I don't think I have much. That's what I have, so I'm gonna put it all. And we need to kick it up a notch. Half a teaspoon of chili powder. Just mix it. Here's a sandwich. This is, I think it's better than Popeye's chicken sandwich. By the way, we also shot a video for Chick-fil-A. We're gonna post both of them. We'll let you know which one is which, and you'll get all the information. Now we're gonna go for the taste. Let's go.
That looks so good.
So crispy.
I can hear it. Let me get this.
Delicioso, delicious.
Well, I'm gonna let you guys go so I can taste.
So you guys, please try this at home, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and leave a comment. And if you like us to do something else, please leave it in the comment. We'll be more than glad to do it.